Third graders, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 21. I'm here to show you how to fill out your problem set if you're doing it on the computer. If you don't want to do it on the computer, you can either just look at the problem set, which is on the hyperlink on slide 2, or you can print off the PDF and write it down, whatever works best for you. So again, if you want to just look at the problem set and write it down, if you want to print it off, you're going to click here. First things first, please make sure you watch the video. I think it's the first video on this link here. It's about 20 minutes long, and then you can do these problems, and they will go over the answers with you as well. So you're going to work on slides 5 through 10. Slides 5 and 6 are very similar. For 5 and 6, ignore these circles for now. Your job is to fill in these red text boxes. So, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but this first one is halves, so we're counting by halves. So of course, we're always going to start with 0 halves. So I'm just clicking it and typing it in. 0 over 2, so 0 halves, 1 half, 2 halves, then it would be 3 halves. Then you're going to do the same thing down here, only this time you're counting by fourths. So you're going to do that for slide 5 and slide 6. Slide 6, you're again counting by halves, and then you're counting by sixths. These circles are going to be on slide 7, which is number 2. The directions tell you to color the fractions equal to 1/2 blue. So instead of coloring, you're going to be moving the blue circles over the fractions equal to 1/2. So in order to grab a circle, there are 2 circles, they're just overlapped. You're going to make sure your cursor becomes that 4-pointed arrow. Click, and I'm holding it down, and you're going to move it so that it's over 1/2. Now, it said all fractions equal to 1/2. So on this number line, it's going to be the top fraction and also this bottom fraction. So if I was counting by fourths, this would be 0/4, this would be 1/4, this would be 2/4. So 2/4 is the same as 1/2 because they're in the same spot on the number line. I'm also going to move that blue circle over there. Again, you're going to do the same thing over here. 1/2 is equal to whatever this fraction is down here. Now be careful. You're not counting every single fraction on the 6. It's not going to go 0, 6, 1, 6. If you know right here, you're going to count here. This is 0, 6, 1, 6, 2 6. So this would be 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, and then under 1, of course, would be 6 6, because when the top number and the bottom number, the numerator and denominator are the same, it's equal to 1 whole, okay? Again, you're going to move those circles to these directions. So you're going to move the yellow circles over all the fractions equal to 1, the green circles over the fractions that equal 3 halves, and the red circles over the fractions that equal 2. Then you can use those number lines on slide 5 and 6 to answer these questions. And again, you're just gonna click the text box and you can type in. So this says, what is 2/4 equal to on the sixths? So up here, I see that 2/4 is here. That's equal to 1/2. So I'm gonna go over here to 1/2. These are all the blue circles. And you need to figure out what fraction this is and type it here. Then you're going to keep filling those out. Use those circles on slides 5 and 6 to help you. Slides 9 and 10 are quite difficult, but I know you can do it. They are word problems with fractions. So you're going to read it, draw the number line on a piece of paper if you need to, or honestly, you can go back and use the number lines on slides 5 and 6 to help you. And you're deciding, you're answering the question. So if Jack's gauge is 2/4 inches and Jill's is 1/8, what would hers be? And then over here, if Roscoe had a rain gauge, and he said 1/2 inch, is he correct? Is that the same as 2/4? All right, so good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Miss you, love you. Bye.